In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a row in Excel. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially when you want to duplicate formatting, formulas, or existing data without having to recreate everything manually. If you're working with spreadsheets regularly, knowing how to copy and insert a full row can save time and help keep your worksheet organized. To get started, open your Excel workbook and make sure you're in the sheet where you want to copy a row. Once you have the correct worksheet open, find the row you want to duplicate. Next, click the row number on the left side of the spreadsheet. This is important because clicking the row number selects the entire row, not just a single cell. When the whole row is selected, anything in that row, including its contents and formatting, will be included when you copy it. After selecting the row, copy it by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also right-click the selected row and choose Copy from the menu. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels more comfortable. Now decide where you want the copied row to appear. Click the row number directly below the place where you want to insert the duplicate. This step matters because Excel will place the copied row above the row you select. So if you want the new row to appear in a specific position, make sure you're clicking carefully. Once that row is selected, right-click the row number and choose Insert Copied Cells. Excel will then insert the copied row into the worksheet, shifting the existing rows downward to make space. This is especially helpful because it keeps your data structure intact instead of pasting over anything that's already there. And that's it. You've successfully copied a row in Excel. As a quick tip, this method is ideal when you want to preserve formulas, formatting, and layout exactly as they appear in the original row. Just remember to review the duplicated row afterward, especially if it contains dates, labels, or values that may need to be updated after copying. With just a few clicks, you can duplicate rows cleanly and efficiently, making spreadsheet work much faster and more consistent.